electronic abacus. No problem. As education has become more electronic, abacuses have become less common in educational setting, but they are still powerful for teaching abacus production. We offer a modernized and redeveloped electronic abacus for a low monthly subscription. There are only 4 steps to starting an electronic abacus class. Just email us to get your abacus hardware. Go to the website and hit the play button. Hit the classroom button at the top of the website and start your class. The board also allows you to take your learning mobile. With a Bluetooth connected abacus, you can start a lesson right from your web browser on your PC or mobile. You can also take your abacus lessons online, and with our video call feature, you can see your students' face and teach them in real time with your favorite material. An electronic abacus class is different in that you can see how many numbers are being placed on the abacus in real time. It also provides educational content in the form of games along with the textbook. We're also recruiting smart abacus teachers. We'll give you an abacus certificate to use in your classroom, and we'll help you prepare to teach abacus with a 4-week course. We're helping teachers monetize their abacus professionally. We'll support you with video lessons, teaching materials, and the board, and you can get started for just a monthly subscription. And if you have existing textbooks, we can convert them into e-textbooks for you. We can do light scanning and even responsive animation. We also have an electronic abacus for early childhood education. You can receive and use the same for only 1,000 won per month. Please feel free to contact us by email and we will help you use it. Thank you.